Turtle scare number 4. Penguins. Oh shit! Ah!
I think that was more of a, not a turtle scare.
Yeah, that scared me.
That was a night scare.
Because that big turtle wasn't moving.
No, I thought he was going to jump in the car.
Wasn't phased at all.
Oh, what if they jumped in with us?
That would have sucked.
What would we have done?
Jumped out of the canoe.
What is that over there?
An abandoned raft thing.
What if we were floating down and then we found like a dead body on the side? What would we do?
That'd be super cool.
That would be kind of cool. Then we could alert the authorities.
Yeah.
Dead body. Alert CSI. Are we floating?
I think we're floating towards it.
Oh. I really wanted to be in here.
Okay, end video.